If you're involved in driving change, I have a question for you. Are your business strategies and capabilities aligned? And do you understand how incredibly important it is that they are? Many leaders struggle to answer these questions, so we've produced this short video to bring some clarity to this important topic. I'm Peter Howard, MD of the Accord Consulting Group, and we're about to show you a powerful framework that's helped hundreds of leaders successfully manage effective change initiatives. For over 20 years, we've been working with a wide range of organizations, helping them to increase productivity, improve profitability, and drive significant change. As we've partnered with these companies in sectors such as manufacturing, banking, IT, logistics, even police forces and governments, we've learned a thing or two about the importance of employee engagement. In fact, we think of it as the elusive secret ingredient in the recipe for successful change. If you'd like to know more, we hope you'll contact us so we can provide you with access to our free online resources. There's an email address coming up at the end. Let's start by acknowledging something. Managing change well is a challenge, particularly when it starts without alignment between the strategy being actioned and the capability of the people actioning it. Unfortunately, this is an issue we see time and time again, but today we're going to provide a solution. As we look at alignment, we're going to portray vision and strategy, which are typically produced by a leadership team, as a target. The capability element relates to people, shown here as the various triangles, each focused on the target being shown to them. One of the first pitfalls is having a vague or fuzzy vision. Vague visions and shallow strategies are a waste of time. There's no call to action, a range of confusing outcomes, and often they create resistance because when people don't understand what's being asked of them, they have no sense of purpose. If your vision is vague or general, without a definitive destination or specific outcome, it's time to develop a new one. Conversely, if your vision's overly complex with various objectives and competing priorities, there'll be no clear goal to aim for, and your people won't know where to focus their efforts. Instead of being inspired and engaged, they'll feel overwhelmed and confused. So, if your vision's vague or involves competing priorities, your employees are going to disengage, which is a disaster. So, what's the answer? Well, we need to build strategic alignment, and we're about to show you the keys to do exactly that. The first key is for the leadership team to agree on a vision that's specific and concise. The pitfall at this point is to decide on a vision that's hopelessly ambitious in relation to capability. So be realistic. Consider your employees' skills, workload, and capacity to take on more. If they can't achieve what you're asking, you've effectively disengaged them before the starter's gun has even sounded. Bear in mind that the vision should be communicated in person to everyone, so it has to be something that can be articulated to all levels in plain, everyday language. In John Kotter's excellent book, 8 Steps to Successful Change, he tells us to communicate a compelling vision. So, if your vision isn't compelling, don't communicate it. Instead, refine it until it's something you can bring alive. Having shared your vision, people are aware of the journey ahead, but not where they fit in with it. So, we now need to align the people. We need everyone focused on the same vision, but not on the same actions or milestones along the way. And to achieve this, each team is now asked to achieve specific outcomes for particular elements of the vision. These need to 1. Be relevant to their function and skill set, 2. Not contain competing priorities or goals, and 3. Contribute to the overall vision. When a high-level vision is broken down like this into smaller, milestone-based projects, a little bit of magic happens. Firstly, teams are empowered to create their own series of mini-projects, each with a unique outcome and focus that contributes to the bigger picture and overall vision. This involvement creates buy-in and stirs passion. In addition, by giving an understanding of how their unique contribution is relevant and meaningful to the achievement of the overall vision, you've given them a sense of purpose, all of which builds employee engagement. And there's more. You're going to find that having alignment between your vision and your people makes a significant difference to results. Alignment creates clarity and synergy with greater connection between departments and increased collaboration between project teams, all of which leads to achievement of great results. To maximize on the opportunity this brings, it's vital to have an effective approach to execution. At Accord Consulting, we use an outstanding process called 4DX, based on the book The 4 Disciplines of Execution by Covey and Huling. The results we've seen by applying 4DX are nothing short of incredible, so please drop us an email to receive details of this outstanding methodology. You'll reach us at info@accordcg.com. So, to succeed in driving effective change, remember: agree, align, achieve. If employees buy into your vision, have relevant, meaningful projects, and know that their contribution is valued, they'll do everything they can to succeed. That's called employee engagement, and it's the secret ingredient in successfully executing change. We hope this short video has given you some valuable keys and strategies. Accord Consulting specialises in creating employee engagement, from strategy right through to implementation. We partner with clients across Australia, Southeast Asia, India, and in the USA, including coaching and training. If you'd like to find out more about how we work with our clients, we'd love to talk to you. Thanks for watching, take care, and make a difference.